Hi guys, it's your girl Miss Tabitha, and if you're new here, I'm Miss Tabitha. So guys, I remember some time back I asked on my Instagram, ask me questions, and many people ask me so many questions. So today I'm going to answer them. Actually, so many people have been telling me you haven't been able to answer our questions. So guys, today I'm going to answer you. The possible ones of course. Okay, and the first question: are you dating? And if yes, who are you dating? hmm. um Actually, I don't have any reason to tell you the person that I'm dating. Well, I was in a public relationship, but I don't I don't think I don't think I have the reason to to put him in public or to say his name. No, but it's not like you don't know. I don't know, maybe in future. Yeah, because no, I think I have answered that. And the next question is, what do you use on preventing pregnancy? um I use the 3 months family planning, which I don't know. Okay, for me it goes well with me. I don't know for other people, but you can you can go meet your gyna. And yeah, so yeah, another question: what happened to the relationship that you were before? um I don't know. I don't even have the right to answer you that question. But it's not a one thing problem. This is something that is planned, and everyone gets somewhere when something that is going to be over, and you are ready. I'm that girl that is ready with anything that is going to happen. And yeah, I'm not that afraid of losing things, but I I'm afraid of losing people in my life, losing the people that I love, not losing them like forever. Yeah, I don't even know how to answer that question, but I think I have answered that one. Yeah. How many times do you how many times do you visit the hospital? Oh, the hospital to check on your status? Okay, it depends on how I'm active sexual. Yeah, I don't just go anytime that I want, but it's good to go every 3 months. Every 3 months, it's good to go to check on yourself. Yeah. How many kg do you have? um right now I'm not sure, but around 45 to something there. Yeah, 45, but I'm not sure how many. How many feet? Ooh, this question is it's like the same one. Now let's leave this. Where do you buy your outfits? I think I answered this before. Um, I buy my outfits on Shein. Yeah, I love Shein so much. Uh, how are you mentally? I would say I'm good. I'm okay, and thank you for love being alone. I'm an introvert, and being an introvert, you don't want to be around people. I feel like people should be away from me, and I feel like I don't want to be. I don't want to. I don't want so many dramas in my life. I have had enough, and yeah. So my answer is that I'm an introvert. So guys, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate. I think I have answered you enough. So we'll meet on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.